Stress is entirely subjective, but your physiological response to it is objective and measurable. Laborde's 2018 work proves that we can use hypnosis to modulate heart rate variability, or HRV. This is key to maintaining a state of readiness, even when your environment is chaotic. It isn't about being stress-free or having a high-functioning autonomic nervous system that handles the load without crashing. After your next high-effort set today, I want you to spend 60 seconds in a hypnotic cool-down. Don't just sit there breathing randomly. Focus on making your exhale twice as long as your inhale. This specific ratio triggers the vagus nerve, signaling to your body to move from a fight or flight state back to a recovery state. You're manually shifting your own biology.